Why your mom has no energy in the morning. The real cause. What if the reason your mom struggles to get out of bed every morning isn't because she's getting older? What if the exhaustion she laughs off with, "I'm just tired," is actually her body's quiet cry for help? Millions of mothers wake up every day feeling drained before the day has even begun. They force a smile. They make breakfast. They get everyone else ready. But inside, it feels like they never slept at all. Most families assume it's simply part of aging. Doctors say many people do the same. But what if that's only part of the story? Because, in many cases, morning exhaustion isn't normal. It's a symptom. And sometimes, it can be the very first warning sign that something inside the body has changed. Today, we're uncovering the real reasons why your mom may have no energy in the morning. The medical conditions that often go unnoticed. The lifestyle habits quietly making things worse. The warning signs you should never ignore. And the simple changes that may help her feel like herself again. Because growing older should not automatically mean waking up exhausted. Introduction. Have you ever noticed your mom sitting on the edge of the bed for several minutes before she can even stand up? Maybe she says, "I'll wake up in a minute. I didn't sleep well. I just need another cup of tea." Or perhaps she insists she's fine, even though she looks completely exhausted before the day has even started. Many mothers become experts at hiding fatigue. They've spent years putting everyone else's needs before their own. They keep going even when their bodies are asking them to slow down. And over time, that exhaustion becomes their new normal. But here's what many people don't realize. Persistent morning fatigue is not simply a personality trait. It's not laziness. It's not weakness. And it isn't something anyone should feel guilty about. Sometimes, it's simply the body's way of saying, something needs attention. The good news is that many of the underlying causes can be identified, and in many cases, improved, with the right medical evaluation and healthy lifestyle changes. Why this symptom happens. You might think sleep is supposed to recharge the body, and most of the time, it does. But your body performs hundreds of important tasks while you sleep. Your brain regulates hormones. Your immune system repairs damaged cells. Your muscles recover. Your heart and blood vessels reset after the stress of the day. Energy stores are replenished. When any part of this delicate process is disrupted, you may wake up feeling as if your battery was never recharged. That can happen because of poor quality sleep, hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, medical conditions, chronic inflammation, or even emotional stress that quietly continues through the night. In other words, the body may spend the entire night working so hard to compensate for an underlying problem that morning arrives before true recovery ever happens. Is it normal aging? One of the biggest myths about aging is this. If you're over 50 or 60, you're supposed to feel tired. But medical experts say that's not entirely true. While aging can bring changes in sleep patterns, muscle strength, and recovery time, it should not cause severe exhaustion every single morning. Healthy older adults can still wake up feeling refreshed. If someone consistently struggles to get out of bed, needs several hours just to feel awake, or feels exhausted despite getting enough sleep, it's worth looking deeper. Age may change the body, but persistent fatigue deserves an explanation. Common medical causes. 1. Iron deficiency or anemia. Without enough healthy red blood cells, oxygen cannot efficiently reach the body's tissues. The result? The brain feels foggy. The muscles feel weak. Even simple tasks can feel exhausting. Morning fatigue is often one of the earliest symptoms. 2. Thyroid problems. The thyroid controls how quickly the body uses energy. An underactive thyroid slows nearly every system. People often experience fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, constipation, feeling cold, and difficulty concentrating. Many dismiss these symptoms as just aging. They're not always. 3. Sleep apnea. Some people sleep for 8 hours, yet never actually get restorative sleep. Sleep apnea causes breathing to repeatedly stop and restart during the night. The brain constantly wakes the body just enough to restore breathing. Most people never remember these awakenings, but the next morning, they feel exhausted. 4. Diabetes or blood sugar changes. High or unstable blood sugar can interfere with how the body's cells use energy. Instead of feeling refreshed, people wake up tired, thirsty, and mentally sluggish. Sometimes fatigue appears before diabetes is even diagnosed. 5. Depression or anxiety. Not all fatigue begins in the body. Emotional health has a profound effect on physical energy. Depression doesn't always look like sadness. Sometimes it simply feels like overwhelming exhaustion, loss of motivation, or waking up already emotionally drained. Anxiety can also keep the brain active all night, preventing deep, restorative sleep. 6. Heart disease. When the heart cannot pump blood efficiently, the body's organs and muscles receive less oxygen. This may cause unusual fatigue, especially during the morning or after minimal activity. Women often experience subtle symptoms that differ from the classic signs many people expect. 7. Vitamin deficiencies. Low levels of vitamin B12, vitamin D, or other essential nutrients can leave people feeling persistently tired. These deficiencies become more common with age because nutrient absorption often changes over time. Fortunately, they're frequently detectable through routine medical testing. Lifestyle factors. Not every cause is a disease. Sometimes, daily habits quietly contribute to morning exhaustion. Poor sleep schedules. Too much screen time before bed. Not drinking enough water. Skipping protein-rich meals. Excessive caffeine late in the day. Lack of physical activity. Or chronic stress that never truly switches off. Even caregiving, emotional burdens, or years of putting everyone else first can slowly drain both body and mind. Many mothers spend decades caring for others without realizing how little care they've given themselves. Sometimes, improving energy begins with something surprisingly simple. A consistent sleep routine, balanced nutrition, gentle daily movement, stress management, and allowing themselves permission to rest without guilt. And to see a doctor. If your mom's morning fatigue lasts for several weeks, keeps getting worse, interferes with daily activities, or comes with symptoms like weight changes, dizziness, shortness of breath, frequent infections, or memory problems, she should schedule a medical evaluation. A doctor may recommend blood tests, sleep assessments, or other evaluations to identify the underlying cause. Finding the reason early often makes treatment much more effective. Emergency warning signs, 18 to 1900 hours. Seek immediate medical care if exhaustion is accompanied by chest pain, difficulty breathing, sudden confusion, fainting, severe weakness on one side of the body, difficulty speaking, loss of consciousness. These symptoms could indicate a serious medical emergency and should never be ignored. Final advice, 19 to 2030. If your mom has been waking up exhausted for months, please don't let her believe she simply has to live with it. Listen when she says she's tired. Encourage her to take her symptoms seriously. Offer to go with her to a doctor's appointment if she's hesitant. Sometimes the greatest gift we can give the people who have spent their lives caring for us is helping them care for themselves. A little attention today may prevent much bigger health problems tomorrow. And perhaps, with the right answers, she'll wake up one morning feeling like herself again. Natural Subscribe CTA 20:30 End. If this video reminded you of someone you love, especially your mom, share it with her today. You never know when one conversation could encourage someone to seek the help they need. Here on Health Decode, we explore the hidden stories behind everyday health symptoms, using science, compassion, and practical advice you can trust. If you'd like more evidence-based health documentaries that help you understand the body without fear or confusion, subscribe to the channel and join us for the next episode. Until then, take care of yourself and take care of the people who have always taken care of you.